Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my English class. Today we are here to learn Chapter 2, The Kite. Can you see the kite? It always wags its tail and shakes its ears. Then it breaks its string and flies away. So children, here you can see a kite in the picture. It moves its tail and ears. Who moves its tail and ears? The kite. Then later on, its string gets broken and it flies away. How it flies away? With the help of wind. Now you will ask me, what is wind? Wind is moving air. Yes, moving air is called wind, which is helpful in flying a kite. And you know what, children? If air is not moving, then we will not be able to fly a kite. The kite will not be able to fly. So coming back to the chapter, let's see what happens next. It sits on the top of houses and gets stuck in trees. It falls into ponds or lies flat on the grass. Now what happens? It sits on the roof of houses and gets stuck in trees. And because it got stuck, it cannot move. And sometimes it falls into ponds or else it lies flat on the grass. Flat means horizontal position, like the way you sleep. The kite has snow white face and pink and white ears. It is made up of paper and little bits of string tied together. It is such a pretty kite. So children, the face of the kite is white in color, white like snow, and its ears are pink and white in color. The kite is made up of paper. Why it is made of paper, children? So that it is light in weight and can fly high up in the sky. So it is made of paper and bits of string tied together. Now children, this string helps the kite to keep it connected to the person who is flying the kite. What is string? A thread of cotton, nylon, etc. And children, the kite is such a pretty kite. That means the kite is very sweet. Look at it now. It is stuck on red roof. The children pull the tail of the kite, but the kite does not move. Then they try again. Now the kite got stuck on a red roof of a house. The children started pulling the tail of the kite, but the kite is not moving at all. The children try again because it got stuck, so how it will move? So they kept trying to bring the kite down. Then they bring a ladder. They climb up carefully. Just then the wind lifts the kite and flies away again. It flies over the field and far, far away. Afterwards, the children brought a ladder and started climbing the ladder carefully. What is a ladder? Ladder is something which help you to climb up. And why they climbed up the ladder? To bring the kite down. Just then the kite flies away by the force of wind. It flies away above fields and far, far away. And because of the wind, the kite flies Away, away from them. From whom? Flies away from the children. Let's go through the word meanings, children. Wag, to move from side to side. Shake, to move up and down. Break, to separate. String, thread of cotton. Stuck, unable to move. Flat, in a horizontal position. So this is all for today, children. Thank you.